So this is the transmission line training system where you have to do your first experiment. This is the transmission line model. You can see it's a pi model. So you have your inductor and you have your capacitor, and the lines are connected to form a to increase the length of the transmission line. On left side you have the sending end. This is your generating station. So you have meters here, you have connections here to connect different supplies, then you have a breaker for protection, and this is your tap changing transformer to increase the voltage level, and this is the supply is coming through this three-phase system, and this is the three-phase auto transformer. Supply is coming from this auto transformer, then it is going to the generating station, then through the transmission line it's coming to the receiving station. So after, there is no meter connected here right now, this is unconnected, just the kit. Now we will connect the meters on the sending end and the receiving end. This meters on the sending end and receiving end remain same. You have receiving end voltage and receiving end current here, and breakers and your tap changing transformers here. Here you can connect the load. Here you are seeing the points. There you can connect the loads, and you have sending end voltage and sending end current here. Okay, so now we will see the connections. So now we have connected the meters to the transmission lines. So this is your generating stations. We have connected separate meters due to some problem with the meters available here. So you have voltmeter and ammeter connected here. Okay, so we are measuring the voltage across any one of the lines and current across any one of the lines. So here we are measuring voltage across the line R and the current in the line Y. Similarly on this side, in order to measure the parameters, we have short circuited this receiving end side through these red wires, and the meters are also connected separately here. So you have your meters, voltmeter and ammeter connected, and they are connected in the same manner as on the station, generating station side. Okay, so now we will perform the experiment.
Three-phase variac to 0, then switch on the main switch, then switch on the MCB of line, then slowly increase the voltage from the variac and set the rating current 4.5 ampere in the receiving end ammeter for short circuit case.
You see the voltage is, current is increasing.
Now set the current to 4.5. Now down the rating of current. Vs is 600 scale per 120, and current is IS 4.5 ampere. Now note down the receiving end voltage. Receiving end voltage 0 due to short circuit, and current is 4.65.
So the current has increased. Okay, so this is the short circuit reading for the transmission line.
Now switch off the MCB, remove the short circuit connection.
Now it's an open circuit line. We are not connecting any load because we want ABCD parameter, and we are not measuring the performance of the line.
Switch on the line again. Set the rated voltage, which is 420 volt. Now maximum voltage is coming 350, 60, 70, 375 volt.
Current is?
Current is 0.9 ampere. Yes, current is 0 due to open circuit, and voltage is 420.
Okay, so this is the open circuit reading. So now you can find out the ABCD parameters for the transmission line.
Now set again the variac position at 0 volt, switch again and then slowly increase and set the voltage at 420 volt R, which is maximum. Now switch on.
So load, we have connected load and you have readings on this receiving end side.
इसमें 3 रीडिंग कलेक्ट करनी है, वोल्टेज, करंट और पावर फैक्टर, पावर निकालने के लिए.
Voltage current is available here and power factor is available.
Power factor is this, scroll it, 0.7.
It's a bad power factor. ठीक.
Voltage is coming 370, current is 2.25, power factor 0.71, and receiving end current is 1.55, voltage 390, and power factor is receiving end power factor 0.92.
92.
Now again switch on the load.
So load we have increased.
365, 3.4,
Power factor.
0.87, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, and 365. His power factor is 0.92.
So like this you can increase, keep on increasing the load and
to 4.5.
up to 4.5 amperes, and you can measure take the readings at each load, and you can calculate the efficiency of the line using ABCD parameter. So this is your experiment 1.